Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth on your Infiniti QX60. First, ensure your mobile device's Bluetooth is active and discoverable. This is usually found in your phone settings menu. Also, confirm your vehicle is in a safe, parked position. Having your phone fully charged and within easy reach will make the pairing process much smoother and quicker. Next, let's navigate your Infiniti QX60 infotainment system. Locate and press the Settings button on your dashboard. From the options displayed on the screen, select Bluetooth. Then, you will see an option to Add New Device. This action prepares your vehicle to actively search for available Bluetooth devices, making it ready for pairing. Now, look at your phone. You should see your Infiniti QX60 appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Select your vehicle's name. A pairing code, typically a 6-digit number, will display on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm these codes match. Your phone may then ask for permission to access contacts and messages. Accept these prompts. Once the codes are confirmed, your Infiniti QX60 and phone should be successfully paired. The vehicle's display will show a confirmation message. To ensure everything is working correctly, try playing some music or making a quick test call. If you encounter any difficulties, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's infotainment system often resolves minor connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.